So welcome here to our Gilbert office. I want to take you on a quick tour. In coming days, you'll be coming in for your exam, and I just wanted to give you a tour of the office so you know what to expect. So come on with me. When you check in with our friendly front desk, they'll be asked if you need to brush your teeth. You'll come over to our brushing station. Here at the brushing station, adults and kiddos can brush their teeth and make sure everything looks good before we take photographs of the teeth. Here in our photo studio, we'll take pictures of your face, your jawline, so that as we progress forward, we can make sure we customize a treatment that's perfect for you. Back here in the clinic is where all the magic happens. This is where we will do all your adjustments to your braces, to your clear aligner therapy. Over here, we'll show you where our x-ray room is. In this room, we'll take your x-rays where we check on wisdom teeth, roots of teeth, bone, jaw joints. So we'll get your x-rays taken here. After photos and x-rays are taken, we'll load those into our computer program, and you'll meet with one of our friendly treatment coordinators. They'll go over with you what we find. Let's go into the treatment coordinator room. So finally, we'll bring you here into our consultation room. Privately, we'll put your pictures and x-rays up on the big screen. We'll talk about the problems we see. We'll talk about your goals. But more importantly, we'll talk about how we're going to accomplish what it is that needs to be fixed. For that reason, we invite all decision makers to be present at the consultation, moms, dads, anyone else who has an opinion about how things go. We'll talk about cost, we'll talk about insurance, we'll talk about payment options. We set aside enough time that after the consultation in here privately, if you're ready to move forward, we usually can move forward on whatever the next step is. We look forward to seeing you. We're here to help you get the smile that you've always wanted. We hope that this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the coming days. See you soon.